You drove from Pennsylvania last night? And what happened?
These two went by me.
Try to knock.
We were doing. We were doing about 60 or 70.
Uh-huh.
He went by us
On a bike?
on a bike, street bike. He pulled his shirt up like that. Bang! Bang!
Really?
About 80, bro.
Wow. Well, he had a
Maybe less
ninja.
than that, or maybe more.
He probably had a ninja, right?
Get the fuck out
Yeah,
of
they
here,
do
yo.
fast
What?
Willie. That's
This
highway Willie.
motherfucker's crazy as shit, yo.
Yeah, when you got the power like that, you could do that.
Yo,
He had a KX 250 big boy one time. That's the fastest bike I ever been on, yo. That's a Willie as soon as you